Nan, Babo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Ube and Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Ube and Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Amai Ha for these lovely delicacies. Just trivia guys, Amai Ha is actually a Japanese word which means sweet tooth or has a great liking for sweet products, sweet food. Let me introduce the products that they sent us. Let me start with this huge box right here. So ito yung kanilang Ensaymada. Now, yung Ensaymada na pinadala nila has a plain flavor, ube, and then the last salted egg on top. Now, moving forward, meron din silang choco pandesal, meron din tayong ube cheese pandesal. In the middle of our table, meron tayong red velvet with cream cheese. This is their very famous dream cake. Alright, so fun part of the vlog, of course, is taste testing. And what a way to partner everything is, of course, a great coffee. Sabay-sabay tayong kumain ng mga produkto ni Amai Ha. I wanna start with this, red velvet, no? Let me get this. Wow! Check that out. Alright, so let's taste it. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Straight from the delivery. This is still chilled. So, masarap talaga. Medyo chilled as always. I'm a sweet tooth. So, I love sweets. So, yung frosting natin is hindi siya nakakaumay. So, sa mga red velvet, hindi masyadong maasim. Although, some other cakes tends to be that. This one is not. So, good job. Now, I wanna go straight to our dream cake. Wow! So, yung dream cake natin has a hard chocolate on top, and then the next layer is actually it's a gooey chocolate, and then up to the bottom part ng cake natin is the actual dream cake. Oh wow! This is really lovely, guys. Oh man! So, if you are to ask me kung ano yung pipiliin ko dito sa dalawang tub cake nila, this, I'm gonna go for the dream cake. Ang sarap. Hindi siya nakakaumay. It's not too sweet. It's not bitter. Masarap. Ooh, I like that. Now, I wanna taste itong kanilang mga choco pandesal. So, let's dissect it a little bit. Oh, check that out. Chocolate filling. Cheers! Alright, I wanna jump directly to the counterpart ng choco pandesal natin. So this is their ube cheese pandesal. Again, let's dissect it. Oh, there you go. Yung consistency ng bread nila, it's not dry. It is actually soft. That's very commendable sa mga pandesal na katulad nito. Next, I wanna jump in yung kanilang Ensaymada. I wanna go for the salted egg. Right, so check this out, guys. Ensaymada with salted egg. I'm liking it. This one, it is so overloaded with cheese on top plus yung salted egg natin. Buhay na buhay, guys. Alright, so now that we have tasted and introduced yung mga products po na pinadala nila, I wanna go back to our dream cake, and probably this is my last taste for this vlog as I bid you farewell. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Let's go to Amai Ha fan page and show some love by following or giving them a like dun sa mga posts nila. Stay updated sa mga products and mga promos probably that they will be announcing to know more about these products and how you can order by transacting with them. So guys, thanks so much for watching Ube and Pampanga. Until our next video, please stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Bye.